Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. If you're tired of messy glue, short-lived lashes, and all the fuss that comes with traditional falsies, we've got something game-changing for you. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best magnetic eyeliner lashes reusable kit available online right now. Say hello to the INSMART Magnetic Eyelashes and Eyeliner Kit. 10 pairs of upgraded 3D and 5D lashes, 2 magnetic eyeliners, and a lash applicator, all packed into one sleek set. Let's take a look inside the box. You're greeted with 10 different pairs of lashes ranging in length from 10mm to 17mm, giving you options for every occasion, from natural daytime looks to dramatic glam nights. There's also a tweezer applicator and not one, but 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner. The packaging is compact and lightweight, perfect for storing in your vanity or tossing into a travel bag. The whole kit weighs just around 2.4 ounces, with the box measuring 7.83 by 5.75 inches, super travel friendly. The lashes themselves are made of ultra-soft synthetic fibers, and they're handcrafted for that delicate 3D and 5D layered look. Whether you're heading to work, a party, or a wedding, you'll find a pair that suits your vibe. Each lash strip has 5 micro-magnets embedded, ensuring a strong, curved hold that lasts all day without weighing down your eyelids. Now let's talk eyeliner. The kit includes 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner infused with ultra-fine magnetic particles. What's impressive is the upgraded formula. It's thicker, smoother, smudge-resistant, and waterproof. This isn't just functional eyeliner, it doubles as your everyday liquid liner. And yes, it's made with natural ingredients, so it's safe for your skin and eyes. Using these lashes is a breeze. Step 1. Apply the magnetic eyeliner and let it get tacky for a few seconds. Step 2. Gently place the magnetic lash along the liner. And boom! It clicks into place like magic. No glue, no mess, and no tugging at your natural lashes. If needed, add a second coat of eyeliner for stronger magnetism. And if you feel like customizing the lashes, you can trim them to your liking just like you would with standard falsies. Removal is just as easy. Before bed, gently lift off the lashes and clean off the eyeliner using eye makeup remover or wipes. The lashes are reusable, so one kit will last you through weeks of use. That means serious savings, no more spending hours or dollars at the salon. This kit is perfect for beginners, pros, and even those who've sworn off lashes because of the glue hassle. It's an excellent gift too. Whether it's for your sister, your mom, your partner, or your best friend, it checks all the boxes for beauty and practicality. So if you're ready to enhance your lash game without the drama of glue and extensions, check out the INSMART Magnetic Eyelashes and Eyeliner Kit. It's natural, reusable, beginner-friendly, and a great value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you in the next video.